Hi guys, Oshin Hoy here, bringing you free tutorials on how to make a website. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and menus to your WordPress website. Let's get into it. So at the moment, the site is looking very bare and we don't even have a navigation menu or anything like that. So to get our menu, we're going to need to get some pages first. So to get some pages, you can either go to New and click Page here, which I'm going to do. And this will bring you to your back end. You can also get to this page in your back end through going over to the left-hand column and going down to Pages and Add New. So you can add in a title. So we're going to have a home page and then publish and publish. So this will now be live. And as you can see, this is your home page. Okay, and up here you have your home page as well in your menu. Okay, so we're just going to add a few more pages. So what other pages might you like? We're going to add an about page. We want to be able to provide some information about the website. So about and publish, that's now live. We can add another page and we can say services. So we're going to go into detail in some of the services that we provide. And what pages in terms of services might we like? We're going to be doing yoga, so we could say sports yoga, publish, new page. We could do hot yoga. Oops. There we go. Publish. And we could do, let's say, wine yoga. Okay, so those are our three service pages. And what else might we need? We could put in a blog. And we could put in a contact page. Publish. Okay, so you now know how to add in your pages. That's great. Next, in terms of building our menu, we want to go down to Appearance and Menus. So now we can see that we need to put in a menu name. So I just combine main menu. Then when you have your name in, just select Create Menu. So now you can add in all of your pages that you want to have in your menu. You can also add in posts or custom links or categories, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to add in our pages. And then you can change the layout of the menu. So you can change the order that they come in. So we're going to have the home page first, and all you have to do is drag and drop your page on the menu. So then we're going to have our services, and we're going to have hot yoga, sports yoga, and wine yoga. So as you can see with these three yoga pages, they're sub-items. So we'll show you what that looks like on the menu on the front end. And you want to do your display location as the primary menu. So if we save that, then we can go back to our site. And as you can see up here now, we have our menu. And under the services, we have the three yoga pages. So now that we have the menu, we want to adjust a few settings to make sure that when you type in your domain name, you get brought to your home page. And when you publish a post, it goes onto your blog. So if we go back to the dashboard, then we can go down to settings and reading. And here you can see your homepage displays your latest posts. Now this is because WordPress was traditionally for bloggers, and this would show your latest blog posts. But we want to select a static page, and for our home page we want our home page to show up, and for our posts page we want our blog to be displayed. So if we save those changes, and now if we go back to our site, we can now see that it's the home page that displays once you put in your domain name. And so our last step will be to take out the home page from your menu, because if you click on your site title, it will bring you to your home page. Okay, and this is the case if you go to Apple. They don't have their home page in the menu, they just have it as their logo. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. So we're just going to go to menus, and on your menu just click the drop down arrow and select remove. Save that, and then when that's saved we can go back to our site, and you can see that your menu is now about, services, blog and contact, and your site title links to your homepage. So there you go guys, you've now learned how to create pages and create the menu, have your home page as the site first page that it goes to, and your blog is where your posts will go. Okay, good job guys, see you in the next video. This video is part of my series of free tutorials on how to make a website. To make sure you don't miss out on any videos, hit the subscribe button and turn that bell icon to all. That'll mean you'll get a notification every time I publish a video on YouTube. See you in the next video, and happy building!